Not every fight need a response. Not every voice deserve your breath. I am Israel. I walk with Yah.
I walk in obedience, you lead my way. Silence my weapon when they throw shade. I'm Israel, set apart, never fold. Within my steps, let you take control. Be still. Stay strong. Let Yah fight wrong.
Yeah, I gave up needing every last word spoken. Peace got louder when my pride got broken. Used to react, now I observe and move. Obedience heavy, nothing left to prove. Yeah, they provoke, try and pull me from position, but I learned discipline stronger than ambition. Enemy thrive when you open that door, so I guard my spirit, don't engage anymore. My behavior preach louder than anything said. Integrity walk where accusations tread. Reputation safest when it ain't in my hands. You hold the story, he control the plans. Yeah.
You don't gotta fight every fight. You see everything in the night. I walk in obedience and lead my way. Silence my weapon when they throw shade. On Israel, set apart, never fold. Within my steps, let you take control. I walk in obedience and lead my way. Silence my weapon when they throw shade. On Israel, set apart, never fold. Within my steps, let you take control.
I know his nature, I know his voice. Sometimes being quiet is the higher choice. Why explain truth to a deafened crowd? Let time expose what they say out loud. Mud fights dirty, I don't wrestle low. Obedience clean, let the fruit just grow. I could've react, became part of the game, but you trained my spirit, now I move with aim.
Days turn weeks, weeks turn years. Truth stays standing while the light disappears. When you say be still, that's divine command. Power in silence, that's strength of a man. Let go.